I just realized I should probably open source my mind. But let's start from the beginning. Hey everyone, how's it going? For me, 2025 started quite terribly. I've been lying in bed with a nasty flu for most of the year so far, which luckily means just 4 days. But still, most of the year. I had big plans for this week, mixing between moments to recharge my batteries and some focused time to push on my side project and learn something new. As usual, with everything I learn, I try to make it a YouTube video so that I can share my new knowledge with you, and I usually shape it as a tutorial-like kind of content. Turns out the flu decided I shouldn't do that, at least not this week that technically I was on vacation, so I had more free time. Time that I spent lying on my bed. However, having all my plans completely destroyed made me realize a thing. That, to be fair, it's been on the back of my mind for quite some time, but it never became too obvious until today. It is time for a change. The motto of my channel is learning web development through open source, and this is gonna remain the same in 2025. But this time it's gonna have a little twist in how I share my journey. Here's the thing I usually mention when my friends ask me how is my YouTube journey going. I love to give value through tutorials, starting from a point A, going to a very well-defined point B. I'm so happy when I read the comments from many of you saying that, for example, I help you solve the problem or maybe you learn something new. But this, on the long run, has a tiny problem on my side, that is retention. See, many of my viewers come usually from a Google search. They find a video that tries to solve the problem they're having, or maybe not, and after watching the video, they just close the tab and will never see each other again, which is completely understandable, but also kind of sad. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe now. But then, even if you see a video on your homepage that is a tutorial of something you don't really care, you're just not gonna watch the video. And again, it's completely fair. And that's what I want to change into the form of my communication. Instead of solving a single topic each time, I want to more broadly document and share how my journey is going, what I'm experimenting with, what problems I'm facing, and even if I don't have the solution yet, I want to share with you all the thought process that goes behind that. Especially in an era of AI solving all kinds of technical problems, I believe there's even more value in being a human. And that's what I want to bring to the table. Not just a collection of technical solutions, but myself as a human. And that's where the clickbaity title comes from. I want to open source my mind. To be clear, I will still do tutorials because I like doing them and I see they're usually appreciated. But I want to mix my schedule with more unstructured or behind-the-scenes video. Here's an example. I'm working on a TanStack Start project I'm gonna use to record a tutorial, well, the series of tutorials. But I'm still unsure which database or backend as a service to use. There are a few that are more powerful, letting me delivering more features and showing more cool stuff that you can actually do. But in this case, they kind of hide some of the core features of TanStack Start. So maybe I should use some, let's say, less powerful and battery included services, which means I'll deliver less features in my example project, but they will better highlight the TanStack Start capabilities. I haven't decided yet, but I think a kind of video where I just ramble about that and I share the pros and cons and what comes through my mind when deciding which path to take might be an interesting piece of content. At least that's what I want to experiment with, and your views and your comments are gonna give me the answer. On a separate branch, I was also thinking about creating a newsletter where I share what I'm currently doing. I'll probably call it Behind the Dev or something like that. It won't be highly technical, but mostly something personal about me, because that's what I want to do. I want to create a stronger connection between me and you all. Will you subscribe to that? I haven't 100% decided, but no, I decided. I'm gonna do the newsletter, and maybe I'll share the link here in the comments or down below. With that said, I still have a tiny bit of fever, but not enough to stop me writing and recording this video. And if you watch it until this point, thank you. I really, really appreciate you. So please let me know what you think about this new kind of video I want to try. Let me know in the comments, send me a DM, just give me feedback. It will be really, really appreciated. Thanks for watching myself ramble for a few minutes. I think this video is gonna have quite a lot of cuts because I had to take my breath a lot of time. But not considering the flu, if you like this kind of video, I promise I'm gonna try to do many more where I show the human behind the death. I wish you a really happy and fulfilling 2025. Take care and see you soon. Bye!